Rain House, la casa de la lluvia. The birds. This is where it's like I hopped on one and another one. I like the artwork and the English and the Spanish on it. I like the colors and the birds. Me gustó los colores y lo que hay adentro. I like the rain house with all the colors and how big it is, so a lot of people can go in it. I think it's cool that they reuse the water. I thought you used a bicycle to pump the water. Play in the puddle. I like to go and get wet. I like to sit down and watch a movie with hot cocoa. I like to go in my bed and just watch a movie. Because it's really cultural. Because he lived in Tijuana and he had one like this at his house. I think of like world peace and how it is like the clouds crying and stuff. A mí me gusta la casa de lluvia.